When it comes to scheduling blocks, you will see that in this exercise, if I select the content, you will see that I've got 26 block references. So I would like to add them to a scheduled table. So it's an existing command I'm going to show you, but then I'll show you the new enhancement. So the command that I'm going to make use of is under modify, blocks arrays, and we go down to schedule blocks. Now in this dialog, I'm going to set it to scope my selection. I'm going to ask Caddie to schedule all my blocks for this exercise. And here comes the new enhancement. Up to Caddie 27, it made use of only a standard style. So now I'm going to ask Caddie for auto create a style. And have a look and see what is my row height. It's 300. So as soon as I'm going to say OK, Caddie will ask me, indicate the top left point of the table. So I'm going to left click. It creates the table. My pen color itself, it's by block. So that's why it looks at my active pen color. So now I would like to make changes to it. I would like to either make use of a different font or a pen color. So now we're going to make changes to the style itself. So to do that, we're going to go to annotate and we go to create table. Now I said to you, remember that 300. Now as you can see, it's give us a new table style in the list and it's called block schedule height 300. So that's the style of this existing table now. So we're going to manage this table. So I'm going to click on manage table style. It's selected at the moment. So I'm going to go to modify. So in this dialog, I'm just going to show you that when it comes to your data, I'm not going to make use of background fill. I just want to show you that it will update the preview on the left hand side. I'm not going to use a background fill. I'm happy with my alignment, middle center. I'm happy with my format. It's going to be text. But what I would like to change is the text color. So I'm going to change in my text tab, my font style. I can change it if you like to. But my text height is 240. But instead of making use of my active pen color, that's cyan at the moment, I'm going to ask Caddie that my text color need to be specific pen number 2 yellow color. Then we can go to the header. When it comes to my header, as you can see on my left hand side, it did update the preview. Now the header is here at the top, so my text style remains the same, but I would like to make my text a bit bigger. So let's make that 300. That will be my text height. And the pen color for my header, let's make that pen number 3. So if I go to my general, once again, if I add the background, let's give you a preview on the left hand side. So this is how you can modify or make changes to your table style that you used for your scheduling. So if I'm going to say close and I'm going to say OK, R for region, there's my yellow pen color and there's my header as well. That's in green.